How to play Bokura with friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Bokura with a friend step by step. Whether you are on PC or console, by the end of this video you will know exactly how to start playing together and enjoy this unique co-op experience. Step 1. What is Bokura? Bokura is a two-player cooperative adventure game where each player sees a different version of the world. To solve puzzles and move forward, you and your friend will need to communicate and cooperate constantly. Step 2. Install the game. You can play Bokura on Steam, Nintendo Switch, PlayStation or Xbox. On Steam, there is even a friend pass version, so only one person needs to own the game. Step 3. Start a co-op game. Once you open the game, one player should host the game and the other joins. On PC, you can send a Steam invite, use a friend code, or share an invite link. On consoles, just invite your friend use the system's friend list, like Switch Online or PSN. Step 4. Choose your character. Now, choose your roles. One play as the boy, the other as a deer. Each character sees the world completely differently, which is a key to solving the puzzles. Step 5. Use the voice chat. To succeed, you will need to describe what you see and listen to your partner. One of you might see a door, while the other sees a wall. That's why using voice chat like Discord is super important. Step 6. Enjoy the experience. The game is short, around 2 or 3 hours, and packed with emotional moments and clever challenges. So take your time, communicate well, and enjoy your journey together. And that was a tutorial on how to play Bokura with friends. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and have fun playing.